kasama ko naman yung aking kaibigan. Nagyaya, kain kami ng parota. Shout out my friend.
Hi, good morning guys. How are you?
We're going to
We are going to breakfast in
uh
a restaurant in
no
India.
no. What Indian language restaurant?
Huh?
Indian hotel. Yan guys. Kasi ang restaurant kasi sa Indian language is what? Again?
Hotel.
Hotel. Now we are going to the hotel.
We
Okay.
are going to the restaurant to have a
Yeah.
delicious Indian breakfast.
Heavy breakfast ha?
Heavy breakfast.
Heavy breakfast kasi yung parota kasi
Kasing parota, piput, dosha.
pag kumain ka kasi niyan ngayon, hapon ka na
Magandang parota.
hapon ka na gugutumin kaya we called heavy.
Because I studied in Christian school, I have a lot of Christian
On the way na kami, on the way to the hotel. School now was finished.
Huh?
Now vacation.
Application.
Yes.
Hello guys, welcome to Saudi Arabia. This is the Saudi Arabia new look. You know, you guys, when you're coming, the Filipino guys, when you're coming to Saudi Arabia, visit Saudi Arabia for one time.
Yan, gagaling yung kaibigan ko.
You know, we are enjoying a lot.
He is
here.
my best friend, my neighbor. Lagi kasi ito nagyayaya sa akin ng ano eh. Parota. Luwag ng kalsada oh. Ito na guys yung hotel na pupuntahan namin oh. Yan. Tara guys, pasok na tayo sa hotel. Assalamualaikum Sadiq. Ada chay halip ha? Ito na guys yung order namin no? Dito sa hotel Indian restaurant. Why the chay halip? Chay halip. Chay halip. Yeah. Kain kayo guys. Bye bye po. Yummy yummy.